Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best infused alcohol kit is probably one of the most exciting ways to elevate your home bar experience. Imagine crafting your own unique spirits, bursting with custom flavors, all from the comfort of your kitchen. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of infused alcohol kits, exploring what makes them great and helping you find the perfect one to unleash your inner mixologist. Number 5. Do Your Gin DIY Gin Making Infusion Kit. This DIY gin kit gives you everything you need to make your own signature gin. It comes with fragrant botanicals, glass bottles, labels, and curated craft recipes. It's a fun and creative way to enjoy cocktails. Make your gin as unique as you are. This kit includes 100% natural, additive-free botanicals like lavender and juniper berries. You can create your own flavor combinations with this kit. Whether it's an anniversary or a birthday, this kit is a great gift. It's perfect for men and women alike, from husbands to friends. It's a thoughtful present for any occasion. This gin kit is 100% recyclable and plastic-free, handcrafted in the US. It's also climate neutral, so you can sip sustainably. It's a gift that's good for the planet. The kit guarantees full, delicious flavors and a unique experience. Explore new recipes with family and friends. You can savor the results for months to come. Please note that there is no alcohol included in the infusion kit. What we like. This kit offers a creative cocktail experience, allowing you to craft unique gin flavors. It uses 100% natural botanicals, ensuring a pure taste. If you're looking for a unique and eco-friendly gift, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for those who enjoy experimenting with flavors and appreciate sustainable products. What people say. The box comes with a very beautiful package wrap with lithographic illustrations of spice plants printed on. When opening the box you face 12 vividly colorful spices that are packaged nicely in glass cylinders and closed with natural cork stoppers and then elegantly sealed with a high-quality paper label. On the right side of the kit are one funnel and two bottles. The bottles come with labels to document the individual recipes, date and signature for the batch. Number 4. Do Your Whisky DIY Whisky Infusion Kit. This DIY infusion kit includes 12 glass vials with wood chips and botanicals, 2 empty bottles, and whiskey stones. It allows you to create unique flavor combinations. Make your own whiskey with this kit. You can create unique flavors with natural botanicals and wood chips. This kit is perfect for those who like to experiment. Looking for a unique gift? This bartender kit is perfect for men. It's great for Father's Day, anniversaries, or birthdays. This is the perfect gift for whiskey lovers. It's 100% recyclable, plastic-free, and handcrafted in the US. The infusion sets are climate neutral, perfect for sustainable sipping. You can craft your signature spirit in just 2 weeks with this kit. Please note that there is no alcohol included. Have a good time. What we like. This kit is designed for whiskey lovers, providing a wide array of wood chips and botanicals. It's handcrafted in the US and offers a unique way to create your own whiskey blends. If you enjoy experimenting with whiskey flavors and appreciate quality craftsmanship, you should consider this kit. It's perfect for those who want to elevate their whiskey experience. What people say. It comes with everything needed to create custom whiskey blends, making it a fun and interactive experience. The set includes high-quality ingredients and easy-to-follow instructions, so it's perfect for both beginners and seasoned whiskey drinkers. We have received great feedback from family and friends who have done it, and I have personally tasted the results of a few of these and they are very good. Number 3. DIY Gift Kit's Real Gin Making Kit. Discover the joy of DIY with this deluxe gin making kit. It's tailored for adults who want to explore unique flavors and craft artisan spirits. This kit brews 17 premium martinis, enhancing home brewing experiences. Experience the thrill of gin creation with this DIY gin infusion kit. It features 6 botanicals and spices like juniper berries and exotic grains of paradise. Unleash your gin IUs and bask in the joy of crafting a distinct homemade gin. Immerse yourself in an engaging DIY craft for adults, gin making. This kit offers clear instructions, transforming your kitchen into a gin oasis. It includes 6 enticing botanicals, a steel flask, a funnel, and tempting recipes for a seamless gin crafting journey. Evoke your inner scientist and craft unique gin infusions using this gin cocktail kit. It turns regular vodka into exceptional artisanal gin. This kit suits beginners and pros, offering a vibrant guide to creating an excellent gin martini and other cocktails. Elevate your gifting game with this real gin-making infusion kit. It's an uncommon DIY gift ideal for gin enthusiasts. Create homemade gin that's unique and heartily enjoyable. This is not just a gift, it's an unforgettable gin-infused experience. What we like. This kit is a one-stop gin creation station, perfect for crafting artisanal gin. It includes 6 botanicals and spices, turning your kitchen into a gin oasis. If you are a gin enthusiast looking to create your own unique flavors, this kit is perfect for you. It's an ideal gift for those who love to experiment with mixology. What people say. This kit is a much better value because, 1, the instruction card is awesome, 2, comes with 6 botanicals for gin. The instruction card has 4 general recipes with a flavor wheel for experimentation, which I really appreciate. The set of botanicals lets you make 2 of the 4 general recipes. Number 2. Tequila Making Kit, perfect gifts for men and women. Make tequila just the way you like it. With this kit, you can create your own unique flavors. Use the wood chip blends and botanicals for a refined taste. It's easy to use. Just add alcohol and wood chips to the bottle. After a few weeks, filter out the chips and add botanicals. Then, strain and enjoy after cooling. This set includes everything you need. It features bottles, wood chip blends, botanical flavors, a filter funnel, labels, shot glasses, and an instruction booklet. Note that the bottles come empty. Elevate your tequila experience. Use the infusion kit with wood chip blends and botanicals. Follow the easy recipes and savor the taste of your unique homemade mixology creation. Surprise your loved one with this exciting gift. It's perfect for birthdays, Christmas, anniversaries, or Father's Day. This personalized gift shows your affection and care. What we like. This kit allows you to personalize your tequila experience with wood chip blends and botanicals. It's easy to use and provides a complete kit for creating your own tequila. If you like to experiment with tequila flavors and want a unique gift, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for those who appreciate a personalized touch. What people say. The flavors are a wonderful addition to a whiskey drink and the process is fun. The kit itself is packaged well and comes with everything needed to dive right in, bottles, wood chips, and clear instructions that make the process approachable, even for beginners. He has made so many different concoctions. Number 1. WillsCoo Alcohol Infusion Kit. Want to create unique drinks? This kit allows you to infuse your favorite spirits with natural ingredients. It's perfect for anyone looking to craft custom flavors. The kit comes with 12 different infusion materials. You can create endless combinations to match your personal preferences. Explore and discover new flavors. Show off your skills with homemade infused spirits and cocktails. This kit is a fantastic way to impress friends and family. They'll love the unique drinks you create. Tired of the same old drinks? This kit lets you explore flavors you won't find in stores. It opens up a world of possibilities for your cocktails. Looking for a great gift? This kit comes in a nice package, making it perfect for any occasion. Give the gift of flavor and creativity, it's sure to be a hit. What we like. This kit allows you to infuse any alcohol base with 12 natural ingredients, offering a wide range of flavor combinations. It's a perfect gift for any occasion, packaged nicely for gifting. If you are looking for a versatile and customizable infusion kit, you should consider this. It's ideal for those who enjoy experimenting with different spirits. What people say. The kit comes with a great variety of natural ingredients, and the packaging is really well done. It's easy to use, even for beginners, and feels like a personalized cocktail experience. He loved experimenting with the natural ingredients, and he's already planning what to try next. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.